Page 215 in the pupil's book. Here, let's solve 1. This number line here is from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4. Yes, very easy. It's nothing here. Let's look at this dash. First of all, I'm going to write down a mixed number. So what is the whole number here? Yes, this part is after 1, so I'm going to write down here 1 as a whole number. Exactly. What about the fraction? First of all, let's check. These parts are divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know that the denominator is going to be 4. And this is the first dash after the 1, so it's going to be here 1. So the answer is going to be 1 over 4. And you're going to do the same A, B, and even 2. Question 2. I want you to have a good look at question 3 here, which is really easy, but you may think that it's new or hard. But as a matter of fact, it's really easy, and you're very smart, and I know it. The denominators here are not all the same. This is 10, fine. This is another 10, also fine. But what about this 5? What do we do? First of all, the tip that I want you to know is in the fractions, I only use multiplication and division. I do not use addition or subtraction. Again, I use multiplication and I use division. So, what do I do here to make my life easy? Exactly, is that I change the denominators to be all the same. So, the easiest thing to do is I change this 5 to be 10 like the others. How do I change 5? We all know that I only allow to use division and multiplication. So am I going to use division? Do I have 5 divided by any number equals 10? Yes, of course, definitely not. Exactly. So the only thing that I have is that I multiply the 5. So let me write it down here, 1, 2 over 5. Now, let's start multiplying the 5 by what? 5 times what gives me 10? Exactly, 5 times 2. But this is not the only trick that I want you to know. The other trick is, again, in fraction, whatever I do on bottom, I do on top. If I am multiplying the denominator here by 2, so I should multiply the numerator by also 2. So let's check. This one is not going to be changed, it's going to remain as it is, 1. This 2 is going to be multiplied by another 2, so 2 times 2, 4. Now, 5 times 2 is 10. So what did I do? I changed 1, 2 over 5 to be 1, 4 over 10. Now can I arrange them and put them on a number line easily? Yes, of course. Now, let's check how. Let's go back to here. This 1, 2 over 5, which is now 1, 4 over 10. Where does 1, 4 over 10 goes? I have here 1 as a whole number, so definitely it's going to be here after 1. Let's look at the fraction, 4 over 10. So this means I'm going to jump how many times? 4 times out of 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be here. And then I'm going to write it as it's written down in the question, 1, 2 over 5. Yes, we know that 1, 2 over 5 is 1, 4 over 10, but I'm going to write it down as it is written in the question. Now, regarding 2, 3 over 10. 2, 3 over 10, of course, it's after 2. 3 over 10 means 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be here. 2, 3/10. Sorry, the 2. Let me write it down properly. A big 2. Now, the last one is 9/10. 9/10 is the last one before the 2. So 9/10. Now you understood the idea? I know it's really easy. I want you just to concentrate, and please remind yourself always that in fractions I use only multiplication and division. What I do on top, I do on bottom. Okay? Thank you so much. Want to see you soon.